So one of my New Year's resolutions for 2025 was to make this game that I wanted to play for like years. I just wanted to be able to like after a run to like be able to upload the data from the run into a game and then use it like to play the game. So I've been writing code for like all of 2025, and this is what I got so far.
So obviously the first step is to go for a run using the Strava app or any app that makes GPX files. I just gotta go into Strava, find the run that I just did, and export the GPX file. And then I open up the game. This is a bunch of mostly randomly generated stuff. These kind of sort of procedurally generated bushes. Walk around, pick up the bushes. These ladies are like merchants. Maybe go in later and give them, more things that they can sell you. But at the moment, all they have is a bow. You can get a bow from them. This is my little ingeniously designed bow. If you press space, you can it opens a file chooser and you can choose the GPX file that I just downloaded from Strava. You can ride the horse around. It looks really good, really exactly like a horse. It's obviously a horse. So if I go over to these bushes, pick them up, I get some sticks. And then if I go over to one of these boars and my calculated attack value is greater than its attack value, then I can fight them, and I can collect their tusks as arrowheads, which then combine with the sticks to make arrows, and then I can just go around fighting boars and getting more and more arrows. I can, if I want to move around faster, I can ride the horse. This is like sort of like a randomly generated path that leads you to the sort of a boss battle type deal. But these ladies, their appearance is generated with the same code that generates the merchants, except they are not merchants. When you get close to them, they reveal themselves to be monsters. Which I'm going to update the look for them to make them look more monstery. But the idea was that they were kind of like, that they would be like harpies or like siren type deals, where like if they look like women from a distance and then you get close and they're monsters and they eat you. That was kind of the thinking there. Since the run that I did, it was like 1.29 miles. I get 1 heal for every full mile that I ran, so it gave me 1 heal. I can, if I hit this button, it'll give me a little bit of a heal. Now I've used it up. You move around with this on-screen joystick because like the initial idea is I wanted this to be like a mobile game, and I still intend to at some point port it to mobile. So I'm trying to keep the controls on screen and not keyboard based as much as possible. This joystick took a lot of math to figure out how to make working. So so I'm sort of hesitant to get rid of it. Just go around, fight some more boars. Maybe implement something later where the boars will like actually attack you back. I just follow this path. Pick up as many, make as many arrows along the way as I can. The boars are like really easy to fight. I think I think if you ran maybe like because this is like a 9:30 mile pace. I think if you ran like any slower than that, like 10 or more, then your attack would be like under 9, and then there would be a couple boars that you wouldn't be able to take on. But anybody who runs faster than a 10-minute mile is pretty much set. Can take on. Can beat any. Can beat all the boars pretty easily. Try to stack up some arrows, just follow the path, and then we get down to this area where there's this kind of I was going for like a Roman emperor type vibe, and he's like guarded by all these like centurions. Any of the guards that whose defense is higher than my attack, I won't be able to defeat. But if I launch I just like shoot a bunch of arrows at them, then I might be able to. If you had enough arrows, you could take out the ones that you couldn't beat with just like your attack value alone. And then if they're out of the way, then you can go in and attack the emperor. But if they are stronger than you, then they tie you up and they start dragging you off. And right now they're not actually going anywhere, but I was thinking about making some sort of like gladiator arena that they would be dragging you off towards, and then there'd be like more big boss type enemies in that, like lions and bears and big monsters and stuff you have to fight in there. But at the moment, they're just dragging you off into the void. But yeah, this is what 1 year of game development looks like on this project. Um, uh, yeah, thanks for watching.